The official Cough One More Damn Time shirt is a quirky and fun piece of apparel that captures the attention of humor enthusiasts and pop culture fans alike. With its catchy slogan and comfortably stylish design, this shirt serves as both a fashion statement and a lighthearted conversation starter. Ideal for casual outings, gatherings, or simply lounging at home, it's a shirt that infuses personality into any wardrobe. Diving into the details of official Cough One More. The official Cough One More Damn Time shirt boasts a striking design that blends comfort with style. Made from high-quality, breathable cotton, this shirt ensures that you feel great whether you're out on the town or enjoying a laid-back day. At home, the fabric is soft against the skin, providing a relaxed fit that suits all body types. What sets this shirt apart is its bold, humorous slogan emblazoned across the front, which not only shows off your unique sense of humor but also resonates with anyone who enjoys a good laugh. The print is durable and designed to withstand multiple washes, ensuring that the vibrant colors remain bright and eye-catching over time. The shirt is available in various colors and sizes, making it easy to find the perfect match for your personal style. Whether you're a fan of witty statements or simply looking to add some personality to your clothing collection, the official Cough One More Damn Time shirt is an excellent choice. Who should consider the official Cough One More? The ideal customer for the official Cough One More Damn Time shirt is anyone who appreciates a good laugh and loves to express their personality through their clothing. This shirt is perfect for people who are not afraid to show their humorous side, especially those who frequent social gatherings, comedy shows, or casual outings with friends. Additionally, it appeals to fans of internet culture and memes, as the birthday shirt's slogan can resonate with those who often find themselves in humorous or lighthearted situations. It's a great gift idea for friends, family members, or co-workers who could use a little humor in their family wardrobe. Whether you're shopping for a birthday, holiday, or just because, the official Cough One More Damn Time shirt is sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. Wrapping up our review of the official Cough One More. In summary, the official Cough One More Damn Time shirt is a stylish and humorous addition to any wardrobe. Its high-quality materials ensure comfort and longevity, while the bold slogan makes it a standout piece that can spark conversations and bring joy. Whether given as a gift or worn yourself, this shirt is designed to resonate with anyone who appreciates a good laugh. With its versatility and fun design, this shirt is not just clothing. It's a statement. It captures the essence of humor, personality, and casual style that appeals to a broad audience. So if you're looking to elevate your wardrobe or find the perfect gift for someone special, the official Cough One More Damn Time shirt is an excellent choice that is sure to delight. Explore more about the official Cough One More Damn Time shirt and make it yours today.